It's still a bag day, so I need to get to work. This bag is super heavy, and my car, my Jeep, is right there. Woo! I gotta go back in one more time. I'm gonna weigh myself. I haven't really eaten in the past 3 days. All I've eaten is little snacks here and there and the shakes. So, I mean, my pants probably weigh a lot. My jeans probably weigh a lot, so let's check it out real quick. So 273. So I lost like 4 pounds. It's not too bad. Man, there's a lot of sun in my face right now, but what's up guys? How you doing? My name is Daniel. I go by the Selling Sniper on YouTube and on Instagram. I have a book haul right here. It was fill a bag day at a liquidation store I went to. So basically you fill the entire bag up for $15 and everything in the bag you take home. So what I did, there was like 3 boxes of books. So instead of going through the bins like I usually do, I just stood at the book boxes and everybody was grabbing all the other stuff and I was just grabbing books because I know the potential of books. And then the fact that I was like one of the only people looking through the books meant that I was able to grab all the good stuff because nobody knows really what the value of books are. So I did really good picking out books and I wanted to show you what I got. I'm gonna resell them on Amazon FBA and I'm gonna show you the profits and how much they're worth. So let me show you the fill a bag real quick. That's the fill a bag right there. These are all the books. I got this extra bag as protection basically. That's a FBA shipment I gotta send out. But yeah, let's go through these books real quick. And thank you guys for being here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead. I would greatly appreciate that. You know, everybody wants to be past 1,000 subscribers, and I'm not gonna lie, I do too. So yeah, bam. All right, so I just thought about it. As a little disclaimer, I'm not going to show you everything about the books. I'm not going to show you what it sells for. I'm basically just going to talk over the video. I'm going to tell you the profits I get from each item individually, because if I showed every single book, we'd be here forever, you know. And I just want to show you how much profit you can get. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So now that all the books are out of the bag, it doesn't look like much, but let's go over it.
Got a big start, got a good heart. First gotta say that, gotta think smart. Trying to make moves, breaking my wrist. Getting those kills, getting assists. Looking at me, getting those deals. Yeah, I said no, off for 10 bills for one song. Holy shit, but we good, gonna blow up quick. Gonna waste no time, get that I've been featured. Now your shit won't buy, yeah, they wanna see us. We got no coastline, living by the beaches. I'm gonna take that fine, selling out of me. You lack persuasion, we're not around. Feel like we made it, they lost she thick. 4 a.m. got home, take her out to the back, throw it back for your boy, yeah, he bounce like a toy. What do I want, Versace? What do I got, hop on me, yeah, gotta get her right home in the X. Now she coming first cause she know that I'm next. Gonna waste no time, get that urban feature. Now your shit won't buy, yeah, they wanna see us. We got no cosign, living by the beaches. I'm gonna take that fine, selling out of Venus. Yeah, you like persuasion when not around. Feel like we made it, they all surround. Lights so amazing above the crowd. You feel it now, feel like we. Got a big start, got a good heart. First gotta say that, gotta think smart. Trying to make moves, breaking my wrist. Getting those kills, getting assists. Looking at me, getting those deals. Yeah, I said no, off 10 pills for one song. Holy shit, but we good, gonna blow up quick. Gonna waste no time, get that urban feature. Now your shit won't buy, yeah, they wanna see us. We got no cosign, living by the beaches. I'm gonna take that fine, selling out of Venus. You like persuasion, we're not around. Feel like we made it, they all surround. Lights so amazing above the crowd. You feel it now, feel like we. Now I got a girl, can't rap about that normal shit, but she don't care, she dope, she thick. 4 a.m. got home, take her out to the back, throw it back for your boy, yeah, he bounce like a toy. What do I want, Versace? What do I got, hop on me, yeah, gotta get her right home in the X. Now she coming first cause she know that I'm next. Gonna waste no time, get that urban feature. Now your shit won't buy, yeah, they wanna see us. We got no cosign, living by the beaches. I'm gonna take that fine, selling out of Venus. Yeah, you like persuasion, we're not around. Feel like we made it, they all surround. Lights so amazing above the crowd. You feel it now, feel like we.
I appreciate y'all being here. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you guys. I love my job, guys. I love it. I really do.